Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to manage your property using the Rent Manager. So here, the first thing that you are going to do is you just have to open any of your web browser and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for rentmanager.com and then you will be redirected to this website. Okay, so right here, we cannot find an option where we can sign up for an account. So what you're going to do here is to click on the free demo, all right? And then right here, you have to fill out the form below to schedule your free demo. Okay, so you have to type out right here the company name, your first name, your last name, your email address, or company email address, your phone number, and then your rule, the job title, the number of units, and then you have to select your state or region. That's right, and then your message. After that, you just have to click on submit, and then I just have to wait for the email. And since we cannot really access the tool dashboard because we don't have a company or we don't have a business email, what we are going to do here is to talk about and discuss the different features. So we have for accounting, business operations, reporting, maintenance, marketing and leasing, software customization. So we are going to start with the accounting. Okay, so let's start with the accounts receivable. All right. So for the accounts receivable, you can maintain your monthly AR processing cycle with the rent manager. Handling receivables that has never been easier. Charge, receive, and deposit payments through our streamline accounting system. So we have AR automation, charge types, receive payments, and then bank deposit. For the accounts payable, we also have here the AP automation, create and pay bills, recurring bills, access vendor information, credit cards, write and print checks, and then for the payments, we have here electronically processed tenant payments, owner contributions, and distributions and vendor bills through Rent Manager in real time, and then one-time transactions, batch payments, recurring disbursement. These integrated receivables or payable capabilities helps keep you and your customer up to date and on time. So we have ePay, cash pay, check scanning, and lockbox checks, and then no cost Avid Pay. All right. Now let's proceed to the next one. So we have the payments. Okay, so for the payments, we have here the ePay processing. So using the Zgo's advanced online payments technology, the ePay provides the freedom to process credit card and then check the payments in real time. These fully integrated solution makes collecting payments a breeze. So give your tenants and owners the convenience and flexibility associated with electronic payments and then reduce the amount of data entry your staff has to tackle each month by incorporating this comprehensive, secure service into your rent manager processes. We also have the cash pay again, check scanning and lockbox. We also have checks and then the no cost Avid Pay. Okay, now let's proceed to here. We have the business operations. Okay, so here let's go to the project management. Okay, so here for the project management, we have here the workflows. Okay, so the workflow management is an essential part of the running a streamlined business. Allow rent manager to translate your business practices into trackable projects and recurring service issues. Whether you need to create repeatable move out procedures or train a new hire, rent manager can simplify the way you complete day-to-day tasks and projects. And for the inventory management, easily monitor your inventory through Rent Manager, create and track both tangible and intangible inventory items in an organized and streamlined fashion. So maintain a list of products and services for which you can submit an invoice, service issue, bill, or purchase order. We also have here the automated notifications, task. All right. Now let's proceed to the process admin features. Okay, so for the process and admin improvement, okay, So again, let's go back to the top first. So we have here the communication. So communicating with contacts is seamless with RM App Suite Pro. Text and call tenants, owners, vendors, and more from your database directly from the app. And then a record of each conversation will attach to the context history and notes. And then for the payments, we have ePay users can accept cash, ACH, and credit card payments in the field via the app. Then payments are processed in real time and are automatically reflected in your rent manager database. For the inspections, to conduct on the spot inspections in just a few clicks, RM App Suite Pro users now have the added ability to snap photos and attach them to inspections and set maintenance statuses directly from their smart device. For the service issues, add, edit, and complete service issues in the field to accurately track the project progress. The maintenance techs can upload photos of their finished projects and have tenants electronic sign off on completed work. And we also have the violations and the method utilities. Right, now let's proceed to the marketing and leasing. Okay, so for the prospect and tenant portal, we have an online application. So it provides convenience for prospects and deliver faster approval response times for your management company. So quickly convert prospects into tenants by building your own custom online application template through Rent Manager's Apply Now feature. For the signable documents, so expertly craft electronic signable leases and documents through Rent Manager's Signable and then documents features. We also have here renters insurance compliance. So ensuring your renters are covered by an insurance policy that meets the requirements of their lease can be challenging. So Rent Manager's built-in renters insurance solution powered by the lease tract eliminates guesswork by offering lease compliant policy and then options and then compliance tracking plus renters who do not have a compliant insurance policy can be automatically enrolled in a master policy program, so there's a never elapse in a coverage. So basically, the rent manager is an all-in-one property management system that covers almost everything a property manager could need. So it includes accounting features, both cash and actual, a big library of reports, over 450, so you can see how your properties are doing financially, tracking vacancies, maintenance work orders, online payments, and then mobile support. And that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.